Hello development team, this is Jane with Jayne Design. I'm going to go through a new website design I'd like you to implement. Just cleaning up the old website and hopefully allowing for you to use this new design and adjust it so that we can make the website mobile responsive. So if I start at the top, what I want is for this header up here, this top bar, simply to be able to just mimic what's happening over here on the actual blog site. So the same information here as here. I'd also like, oops, I'd like for this social media icon to be white and over here. So we'll move that over. Okay, the header is a little bit changed. I'd like to keep the same information that we have over here, the web design, SEO, whatever the page says on the existing website, let's just leave it. I can go through and update it later, but I want to make sure that it stays there. So that's this information here. Okay. I don't know what can happen with these links right here when it's mobile responsive, whether they should drop down here, but I'll let you decide what can happen with those as they need to adjust for the mobile responsive website. This navigation would be the same configuration using the same exact updated navigation as what's currently in the home page or in the blog site. So we can remove home because home is here, so that doesn't have to stay there. But we've got portfolio, and those are the proper drop downs: equestrians, services, contact. So that would be implemented here exactly the same way. For this home area, I guess we can remove this search. So hello, I like this. It's got my telephone number. I'd like to be able to keep it like that. And for do you love your website? Get started. Get started is going to link to this page here. Right there. Okay, so that's the URL. Now, this area in here, I want it to be some kind of a slider. All this will stay the same, but this right here will change. And let me show you how this works. Get rid of history. Okay, so in the layers over here, we've got number 1 is love. Okay, so we want that on. Get started has an on hover, so that's on hover. That's our change. The next one, number 2, that goes off, and it goes down to number 2, graphics. I want it to go here, handcrafted graphic design. I want to open this, then this, then this, then this, and this. Okay. The next one is reviews, 5-star reviews. Then open up all, it's here. This is the first one. This is the second one. Third one. And then the others are in here too. There's 4, 5, and 6. And they all have quotation marks. Okay. The last one is SEO. Let me turn off review all. Whoops. There we go. This is the last one. It's SEO. And I'd like for this here to blink with this. Whoops. No, just this. You are here. Maybe just blink a couple times. Okay, so that's all for that. This social networking right here, or all this information right here is going to be the same layout as the home page is now. So same tabs, and on hover, that stays the same. The content that's in here, this will change to the information that I'm providing for you here. I'm going to include this information here. So this is a new content. So all this will replace what's here. This is just an example. I'd like for this image to stay for web design, search engine optimization, graphic design, social networking. This will stay here. This content changes out. And then this background image, I'd like to change that out. So here's graphic design, web design, search engine optimization, social networking. So that's all. For the interior pages, for the secondary pages, not the home pages, but we go to web design. Ordinarily it looks like this. I've given some instructions for what needs to happen with this stuff here. That needs to go away. This needs to go away. This needs to go away. This font needs to be updated. And then for all these interior pages, we use the same design, and we're just going to use this one here. So it won't have me on this interior pages, but it will still have hello and my telephone number. So that will be consistent on all secondary pages, with the exception of the blog pages. The blog pages will be just like this. We don't have to have the hello on there. It's fine. Okay, I hope that gets us started on having a new mobile-friendly website. One more thing I would like to take care of, let's see, for services, search engine optimization. I want all of these pages to be cleaned up. I want them to use the Lato font, double-spaced, make it clean. In terms of the font style, we can use this image, but this one needs to go. This stuff needs to go. That's gone. And these go away too, this image and this image. But this in here is going to be using all the Lato font, and it just needs to be cleaner and more open, like this information is here. So it's just a little bit bigger, double spaced, cleaner to look at. Okay, that's it. Thank you.